Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Today I'm going to do our daily technical analysis updated commodities, work our way through the dollar yields, precious metals, and commodities ETFs that I follow. I'll interject my financial opinions as we go through it together. If you need help with anything, check out finding-value.com. That's where I dive deeper into all these topic sectors, looking for potential investment opportunities, sharing those opportunities with everybody in the community. I do that through midweek updates and question and answer sessions on the weekend. Special coupon code is active, 50% off the first month only, which is a $25 discount on the monthly membership and a $100 discount on the yearly membership. Let's see what's going on today, starting with the DXY. So again, my opinions haven't changed here. This is going to go higher in my opinion. And the reasoning is we have a falling wedge, double bottom, breaking out to the upside. This is a false breakout. If we were going lower, we would have seen it there, but we didn't. We did not break lower. We came back up. We've got a nice little flag pattern going on, pennant formation, and that's a formation to go higher. Yields are down today. So the dollar is strong, but yields, well, the dollar held even and yields were down. 2-year yield, pretty big move here to the downside. Now, this was all looking pretty good to go higher, and we got chopped today. Is that them doing something? Did they do something here? Did they do something here? Maybe. I don't know. Are they trying to get the dollar weaker? Maybe. Dollar still looks good. This sold off today. The 10-year yield sold off, and so did the 30-year yield. We're still in these big, kind of more grandiose patterns that we've been squeezing up into. There is a possibility that this does do something like this, which is a false breakdown to the downside, would be my guess. It could do something like that, get everybody on the wrong side, and then it will flip because I don't think the inflation is solved in the system. 30-year yields down a little bit, down 0.44%. And that also has a a bullish formation for interest rates to go higher. Short term, though, we are seeing a little bit of weakness. TLT bond prices are flat, and that's in a gigantic bear market. Boom. The peak was 2020 right there. Bam. Get everybody scared, get them all into bonds. Shoulder, head, shoulder, topping pattern of the 45 years, and then the move lower. The 2 and the 10, we do have yield curve uninversion. It's uninverting. And I do view this opposite of most everyone else. TYX TNX ratio was up 0.65%, so that's going to be a tailwind behind gold. We didn't get a huge move in the dollar, so we have a tailwind from this. Gold was up 18 bucks an ounce. Still in an uptrend, still looks good. We've got silver up 1.67%. That still looks good. A little bit of selling pressure. We're getting these little wicks at the top. That means a little bit of selling pressure where we're at. Platinum down 0.8, and that still looks good. It's probably going to do some sort of consolidation there. We've got palladium consolidating sideways. It's a bullish formation to go higher. Not a lot of selling pressure. Still looks good to work its way on up. Fixed to gold ratio, we're up 1.13. So the mining companies are outperforming gold. Like we never knew, like we didn't notice that. Yeah, this looks great to go higher. Give it time. The gold and silver mining companies outperforming gold here. This could be a slam dunk play. We are coming from such a low ratio that if we can get up here again, I mean that's going to be that's like dunking on a 12-foot hoop, guys. That's going to be insane. GDX is up 1%. It's still chugging. It's still chugging along with GDXJ and SILJ up 1%. I wouldn't typically enter a new position up here after such a large move, going vertical like that, but we're still chugging along. Still looks okay. Could there be a pullback? Anything's possible, guys. But it's also possible that we could continue to go up quite steep, like we have been. So when we get into these situations where you're in this undervalued asset that's been rocketing higher, you're starting to break a lot of these kind of resistance areas. I just sit and wait, and if we get a pullback like this, uh, I just ride through it. Crude oil down 0.6% today. As we're at this support zone again, and that's where we're hanging out, right on support. We've got TTF gas down a little bit, getting everybody afraid. I know we're getting a lot of LNG takeaway capacity, so we'll see what happens here. It looks fine. I'm not scared or anything like that. It's just been chopping sideways here. We've got natural gas in America up 4.8%. That's flying. So that looks really good. That looks like a double bottom breaking higher. So that looks more confidence inspiring for American natural gas. And we'll see if we can get some momentum generated here to the upside. Boy, XOP, yeah, you know me, up 1.73% with oil down 0.6. What is going on here? Why aren't people positioning in XOP and OIH, which I'll show you next, with oil being down? I know we were up in natural gas. To me, it looks like we're in a bull market. I mean, that's kind of what it looks like, guys. There's the fractal overlaid on top. It's this guy here, and this shows us going up. So yeah, we'll see what happens. OIH also up 1.94% today. Pretty strong day today, and we're at that resistance support area. We're kind of pausing there a little bit. I think it still looks good. I don't see a ton of selling pressure. You see a lot of big red candlesticks in here? I don't see any. So that still looks bullish to me. We've got Newcastle coal futures down slightly. It still looks good. We're sitting on top of our base. This is the base. Breakout, retest. This is the good entry point. Sprott Physical Uranium Trust down a little bit. Oh my goodness, we should worry. No, you shouldn't. No selling pressure, guys. We're going to see another launch higher here soon. Whenever you see these small little red candlesticks, it's just a little consolidation. Get ready for the launch. It says DJ Gene, right? The launch, DJ Gene. Uranium futures pricing, a little bit of sidewaysness. No worries. Still looks good. URA up 1.24%. Well, why are people buying this? Ooh, a little consolidation here. It'll rip. Give it time. You'll see a big breakout here at some point. Maybe it's over the next week or so. Uranium, a little bit of a down day today, 1.29. Still bullish. Just a little sideways action there. Just like this one here. And then we popped higher. It's just stair-stepping higher. URNJ, same thing. Just small little flag pattern. It's all good. Relax. We're up against some resistance. There's some resistance there. We'll get through it. We'll get through it. We've got nickel sideways. This thing's been a chop city here, man. It's just been chopping for years. We'll break. We'll get it up there. Copper's breaking higher, 0.7%. What was that? The second largest mine in the world's all jacked up. Yeah, this is going up. It looks good. COPX, the equities, flying higher. Just ripping. We're getting up towards those highs there. We could pause a little bit, but uh, it's best to always say that you don't know. It's like, yeah, you know what? I don't know. And you'll kind of take with whatever it does, you'll just take it in stride. But we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Lithium's up 1.27. That isn't an uptrend. It's killing it. It's got a long way to go. RMX up 3.31. That's in an uptrend. Look at the volume down there. Oh my goodness. Massive volume. This is gonna go. This is gonna be a run for us run. We'll get up here probably to 160. We'll see what happens there. I will probably break that and get up. Maybe we can go back up here and break that all-time high. We'll see. Iron ore up a little bit. I think iron ore looks explosive. We haven't seen the big explosive move yet, but it could come at any point. It looks good. We've got aluminum up slightly. We haven't exploded off that resistance level yet. There's the resistance going across that white line. We're right there. We're ready to go. I mean, we've got the big green candlesticks, the small reds. The sellers are starting to get a little bit tired here. We're wearing them out. So anytime, I can't tell you the exact day, but I'd be looking for a move higher. Baltic Dry Index down 3.87, a little bit more selling pressure there. But we've broken out of this bigger pattern. And again, I think we're still going upwards over time. Emerging markets up 0.8%. That's flying. Um, I, I think we should do something like this. I think we should back out. I think that this will break and we will run up here. It'll start going all the way up here. We're gonna get another kind of like leg higher. It's gonna be another leg higher there. So this back here, which it goes back, from back here. This was just one big consolidation here. And then we'll break up here and get running. So emerging markets to me, you guys have heard me say this many, many times. It looks very bullish to move much, much higher. Move down a little bit, but my view has not changed. Bullish, base, breakout, retest. This is where you buy. We'll get a shoulder, head, shoulder. We're putting in this is a shoulder here, a head, and we're putting in the shoulder, and then we'll break. Now, it can break at any time. I'm not saying it has to do what I just drew in there. KRE down a little bit. This has just been choppy. Still looks good. We're above a lot of support. We've got XHB, the home builders, up a little bit today, and we're above a lot of support. Now, this doesn't look as bullish. We broke out of that, but we did put a bottom here, and we did break out of that pattern there. So Russell's up a little bit. It's still holding on. Not much to really say here. It looks like it's just consolidating. S&P 500 off a little bit. It defies all rising wedges. Go plunge protection team. NASDAQ up too, somehow. It just keeps rolling. They need to keep the money over here. Because if the money doesn't go to NASDAQ or the S&P, then it will flow into commodities and oil. And they don't want that to happen. They want to keep interest rates down. And when oil goes up, interest rates go up. So they need to keep the money over here. They need to keep people all jazzed up in the NASDAQ. And you can absorb capital in the NASDAQ. If you absorb it somewhere else, it's got real world implications. Oil going up, you have to pay for gas. You have to pay for heat in your house for natural gas. You have to pay for items that have increasing input costs. If you have, paints go up and thinners go up and all sorts of stuff. Dow Jones transportation still chopping sideways. This isn't the most bearish or bullish looking pattern. It looks more bearish to me, but XLI, we are still up towards highs. There it is on a longer term view. We've got Bitcoin up a little bit. That's always looked good though, because we're up above this support structure. So that looks good. And Ethereum looks good. We're above this support structure, heading higher here. It looks good. MicroStrategy's up 5% with Bitcoin being up. Duh. The VIX is being controlled. It's down and in that box. So not much to really report on there except for that it's going sideways. And that's where we're going to end it. So that's what I've got for today. Give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website if you'd like. Specials at coupon code. We've got a question and answer session at 5 p.m. Sunday, Mountain Time. So come on the Zoom meeting. You can ask me whatever you like. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. You can ask me anything. And I'll tell you what I think the right answer is, or at least my opinions on it. If I don't know something, I will tell you I don't know. I will go look at it and research it potentially if I think it's an important thing to research, and then I will get back to you. Most of the time, I'll give my opinion. I've looked at a lot of stuff over the years, so usually I have something off the top of my head. But that's what I've got. So we'll catch you next time, guys. See ya.